The two ministers were cleared by the Senate on 3rd May this year, but were not sworn in due to some reasons best known to the presidency. After 64 days, Wednesday, they were led into the council chambers of the presidential villa where the oath of allegiance and oath of office were administered on them.
That I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So I have been ordered.
In his brief speech after that oath-taking session, Acting President Yemi Osinbajo thanked them to key into the economic recovery and growth plan of the federal government.
We want to emphasize that the Federal Executive Council is one that is committed to executing the very far-reaching reform programs, especially the economic reform program of this government. That economic reform program is contained in our Economic Recovery and Growth Plan and other such documents. We have focused our attention on key areas of that economic reform program, and those key areas have become really what we believe need to be done to make a difference in the Nigerian economy and in the lives and livelihoods of Nigerians.
He also reminded the new ministers of the anti-corruption stance of the President Buhari administration. Professor Osinbajo charged them to lead with transparency.
For the anti-corruption fight, we are focused, and we believe that the primary thing to do is for those of us who are serving, for those of us who have the privilege of service, to ensure that by our own conduct and by our own actions, we support the anti-corruption fight, and also that our conduct itself is exemplary.
The two ministers were appointed following the death of James Ocheni from Kogi State and resignation of Environment Minister Amina Mohammed, who is now the Deputy Secretary General at the United Nations. With the swearing in of the two ministers, criticism and pressure over the matter will no doubt subside. But many will be asking why the delay if the acting president actually has the powers to perform such functions. From the Aso Rock Presidential Villa, I'm Ikharo Attah, ITV News, Abuja.